Minolta also the same. Probably this may be a merged company. We can look into that later. So Konica Minolta company website. So it's a high-tech manufacturing, and I want to pay you attention into this environmentally sound products. This is considered a master slide. Very good. This one is here anyway. The control systems. Yesterday I have discussed this with manufacturing and industrial management and food, but for mechatronics this is new. So let me share with this again. This control systems. Yeah. So can be tangible, intangible, the temperatures, the coldness, the speed, quality, documents, process, whatever. When there are controls, there should be a system, the mechanism for the control. And it's the same for the environmental friendly, eco-friendly product, the controlling the quality of the eco-friendly product. Control system should be there. So industry comes. So when it comes to industry, of course, they have to assure the environmental control, protection of environmental, pollution prevention, waste minimization. You have the previous slide about this industry. Yeah, the previous slide in the sense, if I go back, this is the slide. You should have this picture in your mind. Yeah, this is the slide for the industries, product life cycles, product policies, green industries, and industrial development policies. Finally, the control systems. And industry comes again. You have to assure this environmental control. So how to assure? There should be a knowledge base, the gained knowledge, prior knowledge about the environmental management, knowledge, how should be the output. So what are the things to be assured to ensure that industry is environmental friendly and all the prior knowledge. Then you have to gather the information to see whether industry is really complying the environmental guidelines and all. You gather information and you compare with the prior knowledge, the available knowledge, the guidelines, and then you trigger the regulations to control the environment, environmental regulations to control the eco aspects, the environmental aspects of the industry. So this is very interesting. Yesterday we draw this with the class together, and today I put the animation for them. So this is a kind of feedback control systems. And the mechatronics students, they know about these things very well. Even manufacturing now even the management students now should know this very well. Because control systems, it is common whether it is technical or non-technical. Yeah, this is a very important aspect. The control system schematic awareness of this is important because initially these were in non-technical fields. Finally, this brought into the technical fields, and now we claim this is technical, but it is not so. This belongs to non-technical first and later adapted to technologies. Yeah, that's what I see. So this is the one. So then there are, of course, functions. The environmental regulations can be enforcing, controlling, influencing here. And there should be environmental and cleaner production or sustainable consumption and production. Self-initiative should be there. Information gathering with the purpose to ensure the compliance of the industry for environmental standards and all. So testing, observations, evaluations, informations, data, measurements. There should be a lot of things here. And finally, with the comparisons and all, you assure the environmental sound product with environmentally sound industry. Industry starts from the raw materials, from the design for environment, and finally going through the manufacturing or the processes there, and product will be out from the industry for the consumers to use, and they are using with minimum wastages and and also with the minimum energy resources involved, with the longer usage of life, and even there is a possibility for refurbishing, reuse, and recycling. So the industry has to assure that. Industry has to assure that. I believe you also can talk like this now. Yeah. So the same thing, I got it here. 5 components. 1, prior knowledge, management and clean production. The comparison here, enforcing the regulator is here, the industry is there, and the information gathering, the 5 components. And finally, you assure the environmental standards for those industries. So wherever you are dealing with these 5 components, you have to deal with in industrial environmental management. Okay, whether it's a product development, for manufacturing, or even for the industries, yeah, you have to look into those.